Dito pala kami pupunta sa Costco. Nagpaano kami ng gas, tapos pagkatapos bibili ng grocery. Yan guys, ay, ang daming nuts dito. Oh, ayan, may mani, peanut,
This is salty.
may mais,
Roasty and salty.
almond. Yan, dami. Hmm?
I will take a little bit, okay?
Okay. Salty peanut. Yan. Yan, oh. Walang katao-tao. Katatapos lang namin mag-grocery. So, yan muna yung update natin for today's video, guys.
What are you saying, my
Bye-bye for now. I was taking video. Bye-bye for now. See you in the next video.